So we're going to work out these examples and we're going to remember BIMDAS. So if we look at this first one, there's no brackets or indices. We've got a multiplication and we've got an addition. The multiplication has to be done first. Now the way I want this done is 5 plus, and then do the 3 times 4, which is 12. So don't do it as little bits of calculation all over the place. Make sure you carry it down the page. That's the way I insist on it with my classes. And then 5 plus 12 is 17. With the second one, the introduction of the bracket forces us to do the 5 plus 3 first. So we do the 5 plus 3 first, and then we do the multiplication next. If we look at part C, we've got a multiplication, we've got indices, we've got subtraction. Indices come first. 5 squared means 5 times 5. So it's going to be 3 times 25, take away 10. Note that all I've done is the indices, multiplied the 5 by itself. The multiplication now gets done before the subtraction. So 3 times 25 is 75. Take away 10. Note how we're keeping the whole calculation here. We're not doing little bits all over the page. 75 take away 10 is 65. Now finally, we've got brackets which need to be done first, but inside the bracket we've got a subtraction and a multiplication. So inside the bracket, the multiplication gets done first. So I'm going to have 24 take away 4 times 5, which is 20. That is then squared, and then we're taking away 12 divided by 3. I'm still going to work inside the bracket. 24 take away 20 is 4, so I've got 4 squared take away 12 over 3. Now strictly speaking, I could do the 12 divided by 3 at the same time as the index, but I'm not going to do that here. 4 squared means 4 times 4, so that is 16. So I've now dealt with the indices. Next comes the division. 12 divided by 3 is 4. And finally, we do the subtraction. Now a note on form here. Note how I've done this with the equal signs going straight down the page. This is good form. This is what you should strive to do in these sorts of questions.